Welcome to Don't Get Wrecked. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Venezuela. Let's get started. Step 1. You need to find the right exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com or click the link below. Once you're on the website, type Venezuela into the search bar. You'll then see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Venezuela. Choose an exchange to suit your needs. Step 2. You need to register and do the KYC. This process usually involves providing your personal info and verifying your identity. And step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. The process for doing this may vary depending on the exchange you've chosen, so be sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to check out the updated list of exchanges in Venezuela. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below. Thank you. See you in the next video.